Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Aisha and I work as a TikTok shop influencer. And if you're shopping for Valentine's Day pieces, you're gonna find a lot of value in this video. And I'm super excited to share with you 13 quality Valentine's Day products on TikTok shop right now. The first one is the 3-piece micropave Zircon set from JY Jewelry. This one is exquisite, comes in either a white and rose box or a black and rose box. The roses are not real, but they smell like real roses. And you can create at least 6 different looks from this set alone. And it is so bright that it illuminates your fingers from across the room. Number 2, if you love coffee like I do, then you have to get the automatic stirring mug. This one allows you to brew your coffee, put your creamer in there, push a button, and it automatically stirs it for you. It does come with a silicone bottom and a top cover, and though it is not leak proof, it is rechargeable. It comes with a USB cord, so you don't have to worry about changing out batteries. Number 3, Gona Jewelry 3-piece set. This one is so exquisite. It comes with a pop-out Valentine's Day card. They do have their sterling silver certificates. It also comes with an infinity bracelet, a matching necklace, and earrings as well. And the one thing I love about this one is in the inside of your package, you will get a gift bag to put your set in. You really don't need to do anything more but set your pieces up in the gift bag that they provide you and hand it to your loved one. Number 4, since we're on Gona Jewelry, I might as well go in with the second piece that I love from them. Again, with Gona Jewelry, you're gonna get that pop-out card, you're gonna get their sterling silver certificate, and you're gonna get your pieces and the bag to go with it. And this is their 2-piece Endless Love sterling silver set. It comes with this beautiful dainty pair of earrings and necklace set, and I think this set would be perfect if you plan on wearing your hair up for Valentine's Day. Number 5 is JY Jewelry's Laurel Princess Escape Mossianite set. This one comes with a matching necklace and ring, and I love this pink detail in the middle of it. The necklace and ring closely match each other. That moissanite is so brilliant, it's beautiful, and if you are a pink girly like myself, you are going to fall in love with this set. Number 6 is the Preserved Red Rose and Heart necklace in a box. This one comes with a rose in the top, pull-out detail drawer with the jewelry in the inside, and it comes with a small greeting card. And surprisingly, for the price of this one, the quality is really good. Number 7 is your 3-color LED vanity car mirror. I love this mirror. This one is perfect for girls that have to do their makeup in the car or touch up in the car. It does come with a USB port so you can plug into your car. You don't have to worry about any batteries. I even use this one when I go to church in the evening and I need to touch up my makeup that I did earlier that day. It is amazing. This one takes your mirror in your car to a whole different level. Number 8 is the NEWBELLA knee-high boots. It is great for girlies that have wide calves and girlies like myself that have small calves. This is a soft high knee boot, so it has a lot of stretch and it is very comfortable. And the height on this one is probably 2.5 to 3 inches, so it's not that bad. And I got mine in an apricot and it comes in many other colors, but I love how stunning and clean that apricot looks. Number 9 is the breathable high waist flared leg pants. I did an unboxing video for this one in my last video, but I'm gonna tell you guys that I really love this pants. And again, for the price on this one, I was super surprised on the quality of this. It is high rise, it has a lot of stretch, it's lightweight, it's a ribbed material, and it is perfect if you're lounging around at home or if you're someone that would prefer a straight leg or wide leg pants. For me, it is a nice change up from always wearing skinny jeans. Number 10, I have to mention that heart-shaped woven bag again because I love this one for Valentine's Day. This one is large, it has one main compartment. It is so deep that you can fit a water bottle on the inside, and I think it is a great grab for Valentine's Day. Number 11 is the Lenovo headphones. I got mine in the color pink for Valentine's Day, and of course it's because I love the color pink, but it comes in multiple different colors, and this one has extremely good quality for the price. I was so surprised. You can hear everything crystal clear. It paired extremely easy with my phone. It's Bluetooth wireless. I would highly recommend for the price. Number 12, it's a watch strap bracelet from the brand Luisa. This one is hyperallergenic stainless steel dipped in 14 karat gold. It is stunning and it does come with an extension chain. So if you need to have a little bit more room with your wrist, you can have that. It's inspired by a classic luxury watch band and I love this piece. I wear this one daily and I even have it on right now. It fits very nice and snug against my wrist without the extension chain. And last is number 13. And while we're on Luisa, I'm gonna go into the second piece that I love from them, and that is their gold initial necklace. It is actually what I'm wearing right now, and as you can see, this piece is dainty. It is a very unique style from what we've seen in the past when it comes to the initial necklace. It has a dainty chain and even the initial is dainty. How I have mine adjusted is as far as it goes from the neck. Both the bracelet and the necklace are a little bit more on the pricey side. However, I think they would be a beautiful piece for Valentine's Day, especially if you think your loved one would gravitate towards something like this. If you enjoyed watching, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like. All the products that you see here will be linked below. I'll have 2 available links for you. One link will be to the video that I did on this product so you can see that product more in detail. You can also click on the link in the video and that will take you directly to the product to purchase it. The second link will be directly to the product, so if you know you want to purchase it, there's no hassle. That is it for the 13 quality products on TikTok Shop. Thank you guys so much for being with me and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.